"2020 has been a year like no other. It has tested us in ways we could never have imagined. 2020 has also shown us that if nothing, we can push past possible. We're driven by an unwavering commitment to do whatever is needed, to help wherever we can. Together, our Lycoming teamwork powered us amidst a challenging and unprecedented environment. The continued success of our company is because of you. So, thank you for your continued support during these unprecedented times. We couldn't have done it without you." So from our team to yours, thank you.